think I'm going to need a disclaimer on the video, so here you go. Warning, this video contains questionable humor. You probably won't get it. I just about wet my pants on it, but that's me. It also contains menopausal tears and boring footage because I have a really bad back and I couldn't move that day. It also has strong opinions founded only on the capability of 1 or 2 neurons that were firing that particular day. So continue at your own will. Lockdown. I'm so bored. I am so bored. I sent a bouquet of flowers to the people in the caravan just over here. Hi Trevor, I still miss you. Clarissa. I'll open the window. I'll let you hear. Listen.
I am not putting up with this anymore.
Putting up with what? I can't talk to people?
I am out of here.
Oh, what? Oh, come on. What? Because I have a little conversation with somebody?
Constantly, and I am not.
What? If I was having a conversation with Bob or something, like, would we be having this talk?
You don't make
what? Am I
eyes at
sleeping
Bob.
with Bob?
You don't make eyes at Bob like you make eyes at Clarissa.
Oh.
Every time she walks in a room, it's the same deal.
Come on.
Hello vampires, how are you? It's been ages. I didn't get a chance to say bye for a while. I had to leave Tasmania for medical purposes, and I'm now back on my feet again, and I will be continuing the vlog as of today. So I just thought I'd give you a quick update, but I think first and foremost I want to say to Tasmania and to anyone in Tasmania or anyone that has supported me on this journey, especially through Tassie, thank you. It was the most wonderful place to be, and I was shown nothing but support and care the time that I was there, and it's just one of those memories that's going to stay with me forever. I'm absolutely gutted that it has been cut short, but shame, I will have to revisit. So I will actually do that. I do intend on doing that again and coming back over to the East Coast and then down to Tasmania. So I am currently back in my home state of Western Australia. My son turned 20 yesterday. Happy birthday, my darling boy. And yeah, so I had always planned to come back for his birthday anyway and then return again, but for health purposes I need to stay here at the moment and get a whole bunch of tests done and whatever, blah blah blah. It's boring stuff. Anyway, so I just wanted to put this video up. Some of you may have seen it on Facebook because I had done it quite a while ago, but I want to put it up on this one here as a dedication and a love for Tasmania. So here you go for that, and I'll see you on the other side of it. Hope you enjoyed it. It just brings up so much gosh, so many emotions, Tasmania. I just loved it. A shout out to my friends that are still over there, especially Therese. How you going? Yeah, thank you. Now we've got to touch on a bit of a subject. I might start crying. But my little Emmie is passed away. So yeah, you won't see her on this vlog anymore. That happened quite a while ago, as it is now, but it's still very tender and very sore, and I don't want to talk about it. So yeah, I didn't want to bring it up in a separate video because I knew I was going to be upset. So anyway, so she won't be appearing with us. I don't intend on replacing her or getting another pet or anything like that at this stage, but that may come afterwards. So sorry. So we'll just move forward without that little piece of treasure that was gifted to me by God, for even if it was just such a short time of about 8 months. I think we all agree she had such a personality. So yeah, may she rest in peace. Thank you to my friends Justin and Elizabeth, and who had to come and take her pretty much off me. I couldn't let her go. I had hold of her for 4 days after she died, and I couldn't let her go. And they took her and had her cremated for me. So thank you.
Let's leave the past behind.
Are you happy to be home?
There's something else we need to find.
I see she's cutting up strips of paper.
Don't make me wait.
Watch what she does.
There's no need to
She's putting feathers in.
Let's make footprints
Where are you? In here? Oh, you're trying to bite me through my jacket. Yeah, yeah. See, what's that like? Hey? Where are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, can't I just pet you even through here? Hey? Oh, there's a pretty birdie. It's a nice birdie. What are you doing to my straw? I just went to pay fuel. Why did you wreck my straw while I went to pay fuel? Goodness me. Emmie? You're a pain in my butt. Are you a pain in my butt? Yeah, you. Are you a pain? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light.
Emmie, come. Emmie.
I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make
Wait,
miracles.
what are you doing?
Come
Emmie.
hold my hand.
Emmie. Look what she's done to my hairbrush. Look. What are you doing? Did you fall, Bobby?
With me down the road, there's sunshine and light. Say you don't make me wait. There's no need to
Why are you? Stop it.
let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles come from my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles come from my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Anyway, onward and upward to other things. I am, as I said, in WA. I'll be recommencing a different bunch of series because I'm going to be staying put here and not sort of travel vlogging. There was a dear friend of mine, Tamsin. She's the other solo female traveller that has a YouTube channel. I don't think there's many of us in Australia that do it. As far as I know, it's just us two. So Destination Sacred Grounds, I'll put a link in the description for you, and I'll put a video link up here as well, so it'll link you up to one of her videos. She's just adorable. I love her to billions and bits. Yeah, so if you want to check her channel out, then that'll be there. Hopefully one day we'll maybe collab and do a series together, because we really enjoyed each other's company and time. So we're looking forward to that maybe in the future. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm sure I will see her and Therese and Rose and all those lovely beautiful people that I've met on the way, and there's more again as I start up traveling again. But for the moment in WA, I have helped a lot of people along their journey. I get a lot of messages. So when you have a YouTube channel, you get a lot of messages from people, private messages, especially I think it's a girl thing, and they ring up or they text you or email you and say, look, I'm looking at getting into van lifing, and you know, can you give me some tips or some help or what have you? I hope my mascara is not running. Some tips or some help, and invariably they're asking the same sort of questions. So that is going to be one of the first series that we come across. So I'm going to start really basically on very not basic information, because really I don't want it to be like that, but sometimes responses to very simple questions are put very sort of scientifically, and you need to just understand what the people are talking about, you know. And I think a lot of the time when you're getting into this sort of lifestyle, or you know, you're thinking of doing like a big lap or something that's going to take a few months, there are questions that you need to ask, because you're not just going away for the weekend and put up with discomforts or whatever. So yeah, so we're going to put a series together about that will help you make a few decisions just based on knowing pros and cons of all sorts of different areas of travel, or ways of travels, i.e. motorhomes and caravans or cars, tents, whatever. So we'll put that together for you first, and also point out a few things that a lot of people don't know, and that will just make you wiser travelers. Not saying that I know everything, because I certainly don't. I know about that much or about that much. So, but I do believe in empowering and sharing. So I have no secrets. I just like to be able to do what I do and learn from my mistakes and tell others, you know, so that we can all enjoy this lifestyle, because it is a hell of a difference to living a normal lifestyle. In my opinion, it's absolutely the best, and I can't even see when I finish traveling that I would ever be in a house again. Yeah, so we will start that series pretty soon, and I'll take you from start to finish on it. I'm also doing another thing, because obviously I'm monetized on YouTube now, so paid to do these videos, and it's an extreme help if you guys can hit the likes or comments. Sorry, a note from TikTok's come up. It's like, oh, TikTok! I get distracted easily. Oh, Anyway, so yeah, if you could like and subscribe or comment or whatever, it really helps the channel. It costs you nothing, but it does help me out at the end of the day. And I appreciate that very much. I have been shown the most wonderful support from the most wonderful women and guys in this journey, and people that aren't even, I just surprised that people that watch this channel have no intention of going traveling or nothing. They just, I don't know, I amuse people or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, I thank you, whatever your motive, I thank you for it. And sorry, I'm losing my track of thought. It happens a lot, you know, like when you're 50, it's like you drop a brain cell a day. Like, I'm not kidding, hey? I was practically a professor last week, and this week I'm like, oh, what? I make plans and I forget them. Anyway, what else was I going to say to you? Yeah, so having the YouTube channel, you get offers from people that are trying to push their products, basically. So that they send you stuff and ask you to do reviews and stuff like that. And so far, I've had 4 different ones, and I've declined them all because I didn't like the product at all. Anyway, so I've just got a shipment of one, which I was so excited to get a notification for, to ask for a review on the product, because I have actually seen this product.
I lied. I forgot something. That I got to do something else first before. Oh, look at my legs, aren't they pretty? Whee! I'm an octopus. So I won't be doing the Blue Eddy. I'll be doing another thing for you. I remember that I haven't showed you the photos that I took when I was crossing from Tasmania back all the way to Perth. And some of them are really good pickies, so I'll have to show you those first, okay? And then we'll do the other one, okay?
Dude, you didn't take any pictures. You're an octopus. How are you supposed to take pictures? Don't give me this, oh, I've got 6 hands thing. You didn't take them, I took them. All right, let's just keep that straight. You are cuter though. You are really cute. Almost as cute as me, but I don't know why my friend Jane gave me so many freckles. I don't think I have freckles. Do I have freckles? I don't know. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart for your support and your love and your patience in waiting for me to get back online. Thank you for all the messages that have come via Facebook or the YouTube channel. And I have heard you, and I thank you and for your support and your care. Thanks heaps. Apart from that, we will do some other series soon on just simple things, hints and tips. A lot of things that I have found on the way that are a lot easier to do, or you know, all sorts of odds and ends and reasons. So if any of you have a subject that you would like to know more about, please let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to put it in the series. I will also do a series on solar, which I had been promising to do from the beginning, but I haven't done it yet. So I will do that for you because it needs to be simplified. It really does. People make it way too complex and too hard to even try and attempt to do. So yeah, so I'll be doing that solar series as well. That will be coming up, and that's it. God bless, take care, thanks for your time, see you next week.